Welcome to Autry Tech. I'm Steve Bayles. I'm going to demonstrate how to change a motorcycle tubeless tire using the Coates 5050A rim clamp machine with modified motorcycle wheel holders. We want to start as usual, thinking about safety, having our glasses on. Never know what might be inflated into the tire, but we want to remove the cap first, then remove the core and deflate. I want to be careful to take care of my core and cap, so I'm going to set them aside in a place where I'm not going to walk on them, step on them, grind dirt into them. Here's a safe spot up here. Next, I'm going to take my wheel and carefully break the bead away from the rim using the bead breaker portion of the tool. It's the center pedal right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is push the bead off. It's the middle pedal, and I want to be very careful that I don't run the pedal into the rim. So I'm going to be moving it as I go, pushing the bead carefully away from the rim. I have to rotate around to several different locations. Then I turn the tire around, pushing the bead off the other side. Again, being careful to push right on the bead and not on the rim itself. Now I'm ready to take the wheel to the table. Okay, this is the area of the job that concerns me the most typically, hand placement. We don't want to capture our hand in such a way, so what I like to do is put the parts of the rim in the back 2 feet and then carefully walk the pedal forward, trying to not get the tire captured behind the rubber pieces here. So I'm going to make sure my hands aren't underneath those and try to walk this carefully in. And then press down. Whoop, I missed. Okay, that's what you're not supposed to do. Carefully walk it in. Pushing the rim down. Capturing just the bead of the tire, or bead of the rim, not the bead of the tire. Next, rotate this arm over, making sure that you allow about 1/8 of an inch distance between the foot and the rim this way. Then push it all the way down till it touches, ramping it up and over while holding it down. Take the designed tire tool, reach in on top of the foot right here, grab a piece of the bead, make sure you're down in the valley on this side over here, peel the tire up and over, take a little bit of the lube, lubricate the direction that the tool is going to go, and then push this pedal right here to rotate the first part of the bead off. Next, go in again, right on top of the foot pedal right there. Grab the second piece of the bead. Lubrication underneath now. And then just simply push that same pedal. Rotate the second part of the tire bead off of there. At this point, I'm going to do my service repair, replace the tire, put a tube in it, put a repair to the tire, inspect the rim, make sure all of those things are in good shape. But going back together, I want to make sure I lubricate the bead on both sides. Typically, I can fit the first part of the bead on by hand. If not, I can take and loop the tire like this, and then just simply use the machine to rotate it on. At this point, I have to manually push this below, and then it will rotate. Make sure you're down in the valley as you go around here. Rotating the tire around so it's fully on. Next, remove it from the table, popping the pedal. I want to reinstall my valve core. The final step is going to be inflate the tire and install the cap. In this particular machine, I have a hose right here attached to a gauge. Push the pedal. Waiting for my beads to pop into place. Once I'm satisfied with the air pressure, I then install my cap. Job finished. Thank you for joining us here at Autry today.